Welcome back. Now let us learn another technique, panels, and the panel is the mostly used for grouping multiple input elements or multiple elements. The elements could be your input, output, or anything. And I think you have already seen the panel. Let me show you. This is called well panel, and generally you have seen the gray color area in mini dashboard where these inputs are categorized, and all those are of the similar nature. Similar nature means they are trying to have the similar meaning in terms of not necessarily the same control, but generally they make sense together. This is the well panel, that gray color which you see. So this gray color is the well. That is what it is called well. And there is a tab set. Tab set is this kind of, like this is a tab, one tab, two tabs, and so many tabs. I think you have seen it. And all these multiple tabs combine into the single panel. And then something called nav list. So it is a list. So it is a kind of one by one list. It means you see all the panels over here. And this is one complete panel, and all the tab name over here in the this we keep on doing in a row basis, similar to the row. And there are a lot of the panels, and very dedicated and very good guide are left it over here. So I will request you to visit at this site. Okay, and now let us go. There have been lot of the panels, and something called absolute, where there is no fluidity, and these are the panels. So we'll try to use some of these things. The header panel, I think you know that you can understand, mostly for use for header, sidebar on the left side. Well panel will be using it. Title panel has a different way. Tab set will be using it. And most of these things we'll use in our hands-on, and one or two which we may not use, I will request you to practice on your own. But if you can practice even with one, you can practice with others. That is the kind of simple this panel is. So let us go and do the hands-on with file 8, 9 and 10. So let us please open the file 8. Yeah. So let us run it first. See, the idea for our sign is that run it first. And if you see that this part has become a gray. So let us see what we have used. So in case of this for the input, we have used the well panel. If you see, rest everything remains same. Like we have the slider input, text input, and for remaining it remains same. It remains same. Okay. And there is no change for other rows. So only the well panel, and this is the well panel which is there. So you saw that initially these were the without panels, and now these two have been grouped, and the gray background color has been given. So this is the way panel looks like. Now let us open the file 9 and let us run it. If you see, this becomes the two tabs. One tab is here, another tab is here. So this is the tab. So this is called tab set panel, and let us see the code. So this is what tab set. So for this is the first tab, the histogram which you see over here. This is the named histogram. Okay, and the second tab is over here with name summary, and this is where the summary is. Okay, that's all. Otherwise, rest everything remains same. You have seen this code before, and everything remains same. So this is the tab set. This is the tab set. And now let us open the one more, file number 10, and let us run it first. If you see this time, the tab instead of the tab over here, this is the list. This way. Okay. Let us see the code. So in this case, tab set panel, this is a nav list. Nav list is that horizontal one. So this is the histogram. This is the one histogram which you have already seen. This is the second summary. You have seen, and rest everything remains same. and all these are impacting UI. It does not impact the server side code. Generally, all these things which we are learning, these are beautification of UI or rearranging the UI element, but does not impact the server side at all. So that's all. Thanks a lot for watching it. See you in the next one.